back to another video, everyone. Alright, so today we are gonna make some peanut porridge. Yes, what other way to start the weekend but with having some porridge? You know, it's nice to have porridge in the morning as breakfast, or some people have it as lunch or dinner. We are doing it this morning as breakfast, right? So to get started, guys, you need some nice peanut. I've been soaking mine overnight. All of your spice mine include mixed spice. We have nutmeg, we have cardamom, and this is from the outside of the nutmeg, it's called mace. We have cinnamon leaf, almond spice, vanilla. Of course, you have to have some nice fresh coconut too to make the peanut, because remember, peanut is not a binding agent, right? So no care how long you cook it down, it go come together as porridge. So we need something to support it. So whether you want to use oats or flour, I'm using white flour, you can use spelt flour. Yes, it need a base, a body to support it. All right, so make we get started now, man. Come on. Now guys, listen, whether you want to use the peanut with the outer layer on it, or you want to get the roasted one, any of them can use. Just soak it overnight and blend it. All right, and this is around 2 cups of peanut. So at this point, if you want it any thicker or smoother, at this point is just up to you how you like your peanut porridge. All right, so I like mine to be more on the smoother side, so this is it for me. All right, so make sure you have some water boiling, because we're going to add the cinnamon leaves, the mace and the cardamom. Allow those flavors to come out. I suggest you add just a little salt as well. Alright, so when the flavors start to release, man, the house will just smell nice. So you will know it's time to add your peanuts. So you will also see that the water will change color. Just give it a quick little stir. Now guys, you would want to continue to whisk your porridge because it will want to run over on you. Okay, what we're going to do now is to make the slurry. This is the water and the flour. So I didn't add anything to the porridge, just so it's just bubbling up and want to run over. So just continue whisking when it's behaving bad on you. Let me start with the slurry. So with the slurry now, we're just gonna add the water to it and mix it out for it to be smooth. We don't want no lumps, okay? How you guys liking my videos? Really hope you're enjoying them, man. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Share the video with your family if you can, or with your friends. Okay, we're going to add the flour or slurry gradually to the porridge, right? And you will feel it start to get a little tight. Continue to mix. And if you don't mix while you're adding the slurry, it's just gonna become thick and lumpy. Alright, so we want to bear that in mind. Already you will just feel it in your hands, man. The texture just change immediately. So what we want is to add our mixed spice. And remember guys, all the ingredients will be listed in the description box. And you want to also cook your porridge medium to low heat, because me I tell you, your porridge can go on like it more than you know, man. It will want to burn you up and run over on you and bubble up and all of these things. That is dangerous. So just manipulate it. Just cook it on medium to low heat and constantly stir. So if you realize I did not add my coconut milk, I prefer to add it closer towards the end. And this is for more than one reason. I want the flour to cook out that raw taste as well as the peanut, right? We want it to cook thoroughly before adding coconut milk. And of course guys, you can use any nut milk of your choice: oat milk, quinoa milk, coconut milk, almond milk, soy milk, any one of them you prefer. Adding our nutmeg. Coconut milk. Just allow that to cook down because we're on the last lap now. Continue to mix because we don't want any lumps in it. Alright, so we're going to cover the pot now and make it go and cook. Alright guys, at this time you can add in your vanilla and almond essence. And you can sweeten to taste, okay? Smells so nice and sweet. Oh my gosh. Now, you see that? Very nice and smooth. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Until next time, bye.